Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan. We're working on my 2003 BMW Z4. I've got it very well sorted out. I've been working through some issues with the car since I got it about 4 months ago. There was check engine light, some oil leaks, rough idle, I fixed the suspension, and got it all polished up and looking good, and even had an alignment done. And then the coolant light started popping up on the dash and going off again. So I checked the coolant, of course, when the engine is cold. And the little measuring guy thing pops up. So I think the coolant level is fine. And what I suspect the issue is the sensor underneath the coolant tank has gone bad. So I ordered a new one, and we're going to swap it out, and hopefully that'll solve the problem. So let's get started. You're watching DIY for Life. Okay, we got everything ready. Car is safely on jack stands. Now we can get underneath. Got some cardboard placed here, and I'll show you what we're working on. Okay, here is the coolant temp sensor, and we can give it a little twist to get better access to it. We can disconnect this connector here. I like these little pick tools, so if we can loosen that. Okay, let's put in the new part. There's just enough room to get past the coolant pipe. It goes in only one way and then twists to the left. Okay, so let's start up the car and make sure we don't have any more error lights. All right, so the coolant light is not on. I think we fixed the problem. It's quite an easy job, assuming you have jack stands and can get the car up in the air. Then it's real easy just to swap out the sensor. So I'm gonna call that job done. Hopefully the light doesn't come back on again, and on to the next project. Thanks for watching.